Alright guys, so welcome back to AIP Tech Space. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall your AutoCAD software. So in this video like this, we'll be using our AutoCAD 2024 software. So I'm going to show you how you can uninstall it completely without any file remaining on your PC. So before we get started, if you are just joining for the first time, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share. So the first thing you have to do is to come to your file folder. Come to your AutoCAD extracted file that you extracted during when you were downloading the software. Okay, so let me just go to my own file. Okay, so let me come to my file. This is my AutoCAD file. Then click on it and then come to your crack folder. This is the crack folder. Click on this AutoCAD license patcher installer, and then you come to this AutoCAD license patcher uninstaller. Then click on it. So just right click on it once and right click, then okay, just click on open. So let's wait for it to execute this program. So we wait for it till it executes. Let me just let's wait. Okay, so we are going to wait till it execute this program. So after it's done with this programming stuff, then we can now uninstall it successfully. So I'm going to show us the next thing to do after it executes this program. Okay, let me just pause it. So as you can see, it's done. Alright, so it's done. So after it's done, just go back to your you can see this thing is there. So then come to your search bar here. Come to your search bar and click on control panel. You can just type it, or this is my name is already here. Click on control panel and click on programs uninstall and click on this program and features, and then just type out the AutoCAD software like this. Type it out, just type Autodesk, you can just type it. So you are going to delete every of the file. So this is all the files, just click them and then right click uninstall every one of them. Okay, so let's wait. So that one has been installed. So you have to uninstall every of this file. If you truly want to if you don't want any of this file to remain on your PC, you have to uninstall it. Okay, so this is the step by step you have to follow. So you're still going to install the first one. Okay. Alright, so let's do it one by one. So by using this method is very accurate and it's very okay, because none of this file will still have to be left over. You have no leftover on your PC, leftover with this AutoCAD listing. So you won't have any leftover of files that contains AutoCAD. So just click on it, click on, and then click on this uninstall it also. So if you are finding this video very helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. So this one we have to follow the process. So okay, let me just, so after it has load, so this is what, just click on uninstall. So the reason why we use the first method, we use the AutoCAD license patcher, is that so that once we click on it, if you just go to the icon on that page, on that main page itself, it will not delete. So you have to follow this process to uninstall yours also, and then click on uninstall. So let's wait for it to. Alright, so guys, this has successfully uninstalled. So you can just choose to, it says please restart your computer to finish uninstalling. You can just choose to restart your computer after you have done that. It has automatically uninstalled. So no file will be in your computer, or no any unwanted file will be there. So if you let me just click on not now, because I don't want to post this video. So just click on finish, and then can you see, let's go back and check. So can you see that the icon, our software itself is not there. You can just come back to your control panel also and check whether you still have some files on it. You just click on let's go back. So this process is to teach you how to uninstall your AutoCAD software. So most especially we use AutoCAD 2024. So you see that there's no file, there's no any other file that you can find there. So which means this is the best method to uninstall your AutoCAD software. So if you find this video very helpful, please kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And also if you want us to make a video on any software, you can please comment it in the description and comment below. Thank you.